If it takes a week to grade and return a single mound of papers where all the problems are the same, do I have time to let the students redo their work? And what if every problem is different every time? Since going online, assignments are graded in minutes. Final exams are graded in hours rather than days. This leaves more time to help students. We now have math conversations instead of arguments over grades. Before going online, my students might struggle for hours over one question. And they might wait days before they could see me in my office. Now they get hints and feedback while they work, and the computer keeps track of their progress. They post questions on the forum and get answers the same day. No need for an appointment. When I need help to transform the ideas in my head into something that will work on the platform,
Yay!
I reach out to Bolster's math authors and the technical support team and to other math teachers around the world who are also designing their own content, just like me. I programmed this GeoGebra app, which the student manipulates to measure the angle of the line and compute the resulting slope. Answers are entered using the computer keyboard or the built-in math keyboard. We'll see the exercise gives feedback and hints to help correct mistakes. I embedded the Desmos scientific calculator so the student can compute the fraction and access the tangent button. I programmed hints on how to use the calculator both in the instructions as well as in the feedback. The full solution is given in green. Additional observations can be provided in blue. Students rework the problems as often as needed. The problems are random. Different students get different problems. The computer keeps track of the score and the progress. The grade improves as the student improves. This calculus example shows just a few of the input methods, including your computer keyboard or the built-in math keyboard, which can be accessed on all your devices. I programmed this exercise so students must show correct steps for credit. The drop-down menu is a handy way to give students a set of random answer choices. It can be programmed with math symbols and completely randomized, just like anything else within the exercise. I even randomized the way I ask questions within the text. In addition to the text supplied by Bolster, you can insert your own materials like this chapter, which I authored in my own teaching style. This exercise is foundational for much of linear algebra. It dramatically improved student success like I'd never seen before. Next, let's open an example of some student work. You can see how feedback rules and solutions can be reviewed after assignments or quizzes are submitted. There is space for me to provide feedback. Once I've helped the student with their questions, they can try the quiz again. Students upload files into the quizzes, showing me computer work like this, or written work and photos. The transformation that is swept over my classroom is immense. Students change from feeling like, I can't do math, to feeling like, I get better every time I try again. In the traditional classroom, it's tempting for groups of students to get together and copy from each other without thinking. In my classes, all the problems are always different, and the students can do over as many times as they want. The difference is night and day. It's like nothing I've ever seen in 30 years of teaching. They're happy. they're using the words math and fun in the same sentence. It's a teacher's dream come true. Finally, let's compare the students' comments before and after going online with Bolster. Attitudes change from not wanting to study to praising the videos. From not wanting to learn the theory to requesting more theory practice. The emphasis shifts toward the value of being able to redo the work and getting immediate feedback so they know how to improve. Remarks about the physical classroom shift to applying their knowledge outside of my class. Remarks about the disciplined nature of the classroom shift to their emotional connection and investment in their own success. Thanks so much for letting me share my journey teaching math online. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.